Do not be alarmed. This is only a test of the Civil Emergency Alert. This is a test that is conducted annually to ensure your safety in the case of a civil danger. When you get this alert, stop whatever you're doing and pay attention to any important details that follow, as they will ensure the safety of you and your family. Remember, this is only a test. There is no real threat to your safety. For more information, go to www.gov.ie/en/alerts. Please stand by for a repeating of the message in Irish. Thank you for your cooperation.
No bihag la orta nilan seo achtastal an fallade eigen dalat sivilta. Is tastali seo eintar go bliantul hon do havalteach de hintiu a gas kontúrte sivilta. No de goetu an fallade seo is tok gacha wella ina agat, agus túrar jed en sanri táwachtacha a leanan mar hintiu siad do havalteach féin agus do haile. A gará nilan seo achtastal Ní leon wagart da rire de havalteachta. Le tilla fasnéise te goiti an nas crías hon fasnéise all merla agus imléilge. Go ma agat as do hóibbrú